Welcome to my lecture that is based on Robot Answers software. So this lecture is going to be about the Robot Answers software and its interfaces. This software is powered by boatsapp.com and it consists of 4 interfaces. One is the Yahoo Answers Scrapper, Yahoo Answers Poster, Facebook Scrapper and the Facebook Poster. So these 4 interfaces will help you to drive more traffic to your website or blog, and I'll be explaining everything in detail in my upcoming lectures. For now, I'll just give an idea of what each interface consists of. In Yahoo Answers Scrapper, you will get in Yahoo Answers Scrapper, you will get the questions URLs that were raised in Yahoo Answers. So in Yahoo Answer Poster, what happens is you will promote your website or blog by answering those questions, and then comes your Facebook Scrapper. So similarly, the links that were related to your keyword will be saved in the Facebook Scrapper, and in Facebook Poster, again you will promote your website or blog to different groups related to your keyword. So this is the simple idea and the functions of each interface. Please don't worry, I'll be teaching everything in detail. I'll tell you how to make use of each interface and how to work with this software very clearly in my upcoming lectures. So please make sure that you're not skipping my upcoming lectures, as I'm going to explain you everything in detail about each interface. I hope you have now got an idea about what Robot Answer is and what are the functions of the interfaces present in Robot Answer. Now let's move to our first interface, that's the Yahoo Answers Scrapper.